नहीं होंगे क्वारंटीन से मुक्त एसपी विनय तिवारी. In a setback to the Bihar police and Bihar's SP Vinay Tiwari, the BMC has said that they will not give an exemption to the police officer who was to lead a 4-member team investigating the case of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. The confusion and layers of accusations against people in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise has led to the police force from 2 different states also turn against each other. The turf war is growing between Mumbai police and Bihar police, who were stationed in Mumbai to investigate on Sushant Singh Rajput's case after Sushant's father filed an FIR against Riya Chakraborty and her family for financial fraud and for causing him physical and mental harassment. The Supreme Court had also frowned upon the decision of quarantining the police officer who was supposed to lead the case. But that did not change the decision of the BMC officials. However, they have allowed Mr. Tiwari to investigate the case digitally. While a 4-member team arrived earlier and has started investigations without being sent into quarantine due to the pandemic, when Bihar's SP Vinay Tiwari arrived in Mumbai, the BMC put him under quarantine until August 15th. The Bihar Director General of Police Gupteshwar Pandey had also expressed his disappointment with this move from the BMC and said in a social media post, the Patna IG had written a letter to the chief of BMC opposing the quarantining of IPS Vinay Tiwari and requested that he be released, which has been rejected. The BMC has sent a reply to the letter to Patna Police. Now our SP Vinay Tiwari will be locked inside for 14 days. This decision of BMC is unfortunate. Mr. Tiwari had sent a letter to the BMC asking for an exemption since he had arrived with the task of investigating the case. लेकिन उनकी request deny कर दी गई. There was an outrage on social media which has already become critical of the Mumbai police as well. In spite of multiple sources requesting that he be allowed to do his duty, the BMC has insisted he stay in quarantine. They have allowed him to use digital platforms to carry out a virtual investigation till his quarantine period ends. A letter signed by additional municipal commissioner says, this use of digital platforms will not only ensure that the officer Tiwari does not transmit the infection in case he is carrying it from Bihar to officials with whom he will be in contact with. In view of the coronavirus pandemic prevalent in Bihar, nor he gets infected by coronavirus during his physical visits to various officials of the government of Maharashtra in Mumbai. Now, even the 4-member Bihar police team, which was in Mumbai to investigate the case of actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death, has returned to Patna. However, Patna Superintendent of Police Vinay Tiwari continues to be quarantined in Mumbai. After collecting evidence and recording statements of nearly 10 people, the Bihar police personnel left Mumbai today. During their stay in Mumbai, they recorded the statements of Rajput's sisters, his former girlfriend Ankita Lukhande, director Rumi Jaffrey, the late actor's flatmate Siddharth Pithani, his manager, cook, doctors, among others. This growing battle between the police forces is unfortunate, since all that Sushant's family and fans want is for the truth to come out and for the actor to get justice. Now that the CBI may also start an inquiry, we hope कि आखिरकार सुशांत के परिवार को न्याय मिले and the late actor can finally rest in peace.